From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello, I'm student meteorologist Brian Mastro. Thank you for joining us here on CNET. Let's take a look at your Central Pennsylvania forecast, but we're going to start by taking a look at the weather almanac for today. We had a high of 73 degrees today, which is significantly above our average of 54, so nearly 20 degrees above our average. We're not quite into record territory, as the record high for this day was 78 back in 2003. And then as for the low, we're even warmer on the low than we were on the high. We're 21 degrees above average for our low temperature for this time of year. And then also, if you look down here, we are getting very early in those sunsets, as this evening sunset was at 5:04 p.m., so significantly early, and it's just going to keep getting earlier up until December. Now here's that temperature trend that we're going to be looking at for the next couple of days. We're still well above average for today and for tomorrow as well, but then by the time we do get into your day on Saturday, we're going to drop off pretty significantly down to 55 degrees, well down into our average territory, and then continue to drop as well into your weekend, as we'll even dip a few degrees below average for your day on Sunday and into Monday. So let's come back and take a look outside right now, live at Nittany Valley, where we currently have that temperature coming in right now at 73 degrees, with some cloudy skies working their way into our area. And there is a little bit of a wind out there. We currently have a wind coming from the south at 9 miles per hour. Then looking around the center region at our temperatures that we have here, we have 78 degrees in Bellefonte, 77 in Clearfield, and then 74 down in Huntington and Altoona. And then zooming out to the rest of Pennsylvania, it's a little bit chillier down here in southeastern Pennsylvania, with Philadelphia only coming in at 68 degrees, and then Allentown at 70. But overall, a very gorgeous day all across the Commonwealth. And then looking ahead with those temperatures, they do begin to drop off a bit after our day on Friday, when we will have another high around 73, 74 degrees. And then overnight Friday and then into Saturday, we do have a cold front that will be working its way across the state, and that will be bringing us significantly cooler temperatures for your day on Saturday, and then working its way later on into the weekend as well, as we'll be dropping all the way down into the 30s by Saturday night into Sunday morning. And now here is the radar and satellite across Pennsylvania right now. There's not much to speak of, just some clouds here and there. The next weather system is over here, working its way into Illinois and then into Indiana. That will be what will be bringing us our chance of rain for tomorrow evening. And then looking ahead at our eye on the future, that rain does begin to work its way across the rest of the eastern half of the United States. And then that chance for showers does arrive tomorrow afternoon. Right here, this model says around 3 p.m. So expect the chance for some showers tomorrow afternoon. So if you are heading out, make sure you do grab that umbrella on your way out the door. And then after those showers pass through, it will be clearing out for your day on Saturday, just leaving us with a few lingering clouds. So here's what we're actually looking at for tonight. We're going to have a low of around 57 degrees under mostly cloudy skies, and that wind will be calming down a bit this evening as well. And then as we go into your day tomorrow, we'll have a high of around 74, but then those showers do arrive in the afternoon, when we do have a chance for some spotty showers and maybe even a thunderstorm as well, and that wind will be picking up quite a bit as well. And then also looking ahead for your day on Saturday, we do have that Thon 5K Saturday morning at 11:30 a.m., and we're looking at significantly cooler temperatures, with that temperature of only around 52 degrees under cloudy skies, with, once again, some breezy conditions. And then looking ahead for the rest of your 7-day forecast, after Saturday, it does clear out a bit for Sunday and Monday, when we'll be in the low 50s with mostly sunny skies for both days. However, we'll be pretty cold Sunday night into Monday, as we'll be dropping right around the freezing mark. So make sure you do bundle up if you are going outside that evening. And then looking even further ahead, our next chance of rain comes back to us next Thursday. And then also, we do have our football game on Saturday against Northwestern out in Evanston, Illinois, with that kickoff temperature around 50 degrees under mostly sunny skies. However, it will be pretty windy in Illinois, with that winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour and gusting all the way to 30. So the kicking game could be pretty interesting this Saturday. That's all I have for you from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm student meteorologist Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.